So yeah, this is my
My fridge.
MTV Cribs. This is our fridge. A couple of beers in the bottom. Some spices and stuff on the side. Leftover rice. Just all the good stuff. Yeah. It's in the freezer, dude. Oh yeah, we got some ice cream for you. Yeah, cabinets. We got some Chex Mix.
Okay. I don't want to ride all the way back to my house.
You don't have to.
Those have been in there for like 5 months already.
Do you want them? Eat them?
They've been in there for like 5 months.
Let's eat them.
Got some ice packs, Need those.
Oh, man,
Got some cottage cheese, been in there for like a year. Let's see what this is.
Really? What is it?
Sorry?
Don't be spilling shit. What is it?
Oh, no, not cottage cheese.
No, there's no cottage cheese. Michael, do me a favor a little bit. Give Sage water because I don't know if there's any out there. She's out of food right now, too.
Oh, really?
I need to go to H&E.
Michael, let's cook something and bring them. Hey, I'm Harley, and I'm gonna do my bike. Okay, I'm gonna start up here. I have Hoffman forks, and I'm running Colt Doomsday pegs front and back with the Hoffman front rim laced to whatever hub that is. Aaron Ross tire, Odyssey headset,
Extended.
top load fit stem, cell bars with the Empire sticker right here, ODI grips with par ends, and then my frame's a simple frame, and I have a I don't know, I think it's like a stock Fat United seat with just some random ass pinnacle seat post, fly cranks with the Colt I think OS member sprocket and PC pedals with a KMC Rasta, and then my back is laced to it's a Ross too. It's a Ross tire laced to a Haro back rim and back hub, and it's decently loud. It rides. I'm pretty sure I painted it already though. It's like a week new. But yeah, that's my bike. It rides good, smooth. I hope you enjoy the clips after.
Your mom rides smooth. Yeah, I'm not hot lady like that. Usually doesn't happen. This is my We the People Envy. Pretty much all stuff except handlebars. Diamond on the front. Matches my shirt. That's the only reason I got my shirt. Eclat hub. Eclat rim. Eclat tires. Eclat forks. Wait, the people forks. Eclat back hub. Eclat sprocket. Eclat half link chain. Eclat got pedals. Eclat pedals. Eclat fat CD. Eclat back tire. Diamond sticker. We the People NV frame, like I said. Front load stem. We the People front load stem. Eclat grips. Cranks. Eclat cranks. Oh, I got crowns as crowns, which I got on the bike from a guy that works at the pedal in Corpus Christi.
Shout out to the pedal.
Shout out to the pedal. Shout out to Empire. Shout out
To Mike.
to Big Black Dick.
Shout out to Mike.
Mike.
For sure, shout out to Mike. He'll be happy. Tag him on Facebook or something.
Alright, and these are my shoes I've been riding for the past couple days.
You stupid. Where are you?
These are my shoes I've been riding the past couple days. Nike 6.0s, high top, or mid top. Okay, so that's my bike. If you guys want to get this, don't get it because it's my bike. Goodbye. And my back hub is pretty loud. Alright, ready? I should break it with my bike.
Just pull it from the top. Yo.
I can't even do it.
Hold up. Yo.
People just please, man. So it feels loose with that.
Getting gas for my car. Just do it without it because you don't really need it. You don't really need it. You can come in still, like this way.
Yeah, no. I was gonna put it right there though. Alright,
Nah.
that, I guess I'll, oh, it's me harder.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing tonight?
Speakers on, no another way. Daydreaming inside, eyes closed, and surround me. Picture perfect, yet I can seem to get away. Stop for a minute, look around and it's okay. I guess it's how it goes on the road to success. So you get money and sex, bitches stuff to get chest. I'm working 24 hours, 7 days a week, just to add to the fact that I never get sleep. These nightmares all will keep me awake. Plus it's sad to know that everything that you believe is fake. It's a common mistake when people think that they concerning me. These phonies talking shit but haven't even ever heard of me. So let me slip away into eternity. The sky's the limit.
I like that, and it only made me want more. I like that, so I figured they were tripping about that I would never quit it. See footprints on the move, so they tell me sky's the limit. Now I just do my best, stay far from timid, and I only make moves when I know my heart's in it. And this was all a dream, just a couple years prior. Heard them say sky's the limit, then I started reaching higher.
Yeah.
But it don't come easy, it takes a lot of dedication. I've been working long nights just to see some vacation. Looking at the big picture, think I got what it takes. See it, the game shakes me, it breaks me. I hope it makes
And I'm
me
like
a better
right,
man.
almost like
Catch
right
me
as it
if
went
you can. And maybe if you
slanted.
don't, you ain't supposed to understand
big.
it. You can try to block it out, just know there'll never be another. Just tell me like
It's like
fucking